All right, so I got these little bottom screws started. I didn't want to tighten them up because it's going to be easier to do the top ones. So it looks like what you have to do here is somehow be a contortionist because it comes with 2 more of the little bolts here and the nut. So what I think I'm going to have to do is like put the bolts in here somehow. Oh shit. Okay, so number 1, you can't use all the waterproof things they send you, just FYI, because it's right where the bolt goes. Yeah, so that's good. So hopefully it's not going to mess with the integrity of the box, because it comes with that for some reason, but anyway, you can't use it. So it's a little tricky. Plus my hands are kind of fat. I just want to get a couple of little, I'm hoping you can see it. Oh, you could see it. Oh, there it goes. So I'm just going to get a couple little turns on there just to have it there. Grab the other one. This one's a lot trickier to get to because if you look, it's back where the ported side is, so it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, you can't see it because it's way in there. So I'm gonna put it right here and then feel for the best and find the hole. Oh, here I found the hole. I know I'll find it eventually. Just takes some time sometimes. Anyway, try to line this up. You can still see, hopefully, a little bit. My phone won't quite focus here. I think if I push it back, it might get a little faster. Right? That was pretty easy. I'm just going to kind of tighten it down a little bit now. It looks like it's in place. This is the one that has the 10mm socket, so at least it's not like, it's not that bad to get to either. So this is the one. It's kind of easy, like I said. Yeah, it's not too bad to install. Plus, I love the look of it. It looks great. It looks factory, which is like what I didn't want to go away from because I really like the look of that one. I don't know what happened to my camera. I apologize. Hold on 1 second. Oh, there it goes. I really like the look of that one. And I'm probably going to change this out. I'm going to see how this one sounds. I mean, I know how it sounded in their Jeep, but I'm going to see how it sounds in my Jeep. I might probably change that Alpine out, or either I'm going to change this out to an Alpine. I don't know. I just really like the box, so that was the main reason I got it. Yeah, so. But I like the look of this box. This box is great, and I've always got a lot better sound out of ported boxes. That's why I went with this one versus the other ones I saw. There was a bunch of them at the Jeep Beach place where we went, and it was like 2 tins and an enclosed sealed box, and I always feel like, to me, it sounds better when it's in a ported box. Sounds like the bass hits deeper. And plus I wanted 12s. I didn't really want 10s. I don't really like the sound of 10s that much. I had them in my truck. Wasn't really a good experience. but I put 12s in there and it was great. And I've always had 12s and 15s. But yeah, we're gonna just see how this sounds. Hopefully sounds good. I don't know, but I'm hoping to maybe MB Quarts will see this video and thank me for posting something that they hadn't yet, and maybe, you know, want to try to support me, maybe give me a camera or something to record their stuff next time, or maybe even some more speakers for my Jeep, and I'll roll with all quartz versus Alpine. But anyway, we'll see. All right, let me get this pause right quick. I'm trying to get this back bolt that I can't even show you tighten, so just give me 1 second. It's kind of hard with one hand. I'm gonna pause. I'll be right back.